Just got off work. I saw on my email that my package was delivered. And there it is. That's pretty. Ooh. So, my prop was delivered today. This is the old goods section. So, 130 centimeter. Right. Exact same. I was unsure that the original prop was a helix or not, because there's no markings on it, aside from dimensions. But seems to be the exact same. And on the Master 185, they're very specific on, you have to have these big fat lobes. If you look down the profile how thick it is for cooling the motor. I'm not sure on the details why, but it's just what I've heard and read. Get this thing on. Let's start by putting the spacer on, lining up the holes. Not exactly sure what the purpose of this is. Maybe to space it away from the motor some. These holes lined up. Just gonna hold that there. So I know this is a horrible video. Trying to do this one-handed. There we go. Just start these all by hand. And when I got this, there were two bolts, if you look, that were longer than the rest. I make sure to put these on, I guess you would call leading edge. I don't know. I don't want them, diagonal or anything like that for balance issue. Put the weight across from each other. I should be good to go. I'm gonna tighten these up with a ratchet and I'll be back. Okay, they're all torqued to spec. I have a manual I got offline and torque them to spec. I've already test fired it. Everything seems good. It had a small vibration when I was running it before. My old prop, both tips had been repaired. So that's all gone now. Everything looks good.